is our shed. Empty. It was very unorganized. Took everything out. It's on the ground. So we're going to try to organize this DIY style with anything we have laying around. Only scrap wood. We've got, this is the top of a dresser that we just recently refinished. We're going to use that. We have leftover 2x4s, still have screws and stuff in it. Just scrap wood. All around scrap. And we're going to show you how to DIY organize your messy, cramped shed. First, we want to measure this back wall. We want some hanging hooks to hang up shovels, rakes, stuff like that. And this is pretty flimsy, so we don't want to screw into that. So we got to build something that will be sturdy enough to hold all that stuff. So we're going to measure this 4.5 feet tall by 5 feet wide. Build it to your specifications if you want. Alright, we changed our mind on the plan. We're not going to go down, up and down with any wood. We got these ceiling supports. They have these holes. We're going to put a 2x4 here. Just screw it right through this. It's going to drop down and it's going to hold this entire piece. It's probably 7 feet long. Right up against there. So we're going to reduce the amount of wood we need to use, reduce the amount of cutting, and reduce the amount of screws. This is the plan. So far it's been free.
Yay!
That's really sturdy too.
Are you joking?
No.
Oh yeah.
So the plan is just to put screws in this thing to hang up, you know, the shovels and all that stuff. And we're even going to reuse the screws that came out of some of these to save extra money. And there it is for free. Now I suppose if you didn't have these screws, these are pretty expensive screws, but all scrap wood, and some of these screws were scrap screws. And now we're going to build a table to go over here out of scrap wood. Ah. There it is, DIY shed storage solutions. All you need is some spare wood, the top of an old dresser, and you've got all the storage solution you need.